Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is your girl Fanika and this is Fanika TV. Remember guys, if you are not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Hit that post notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post a video. Also, like the video guys, so that the video can spread to more viewers. Yes guys, today I'm going to be doing a big cooking. I'm going to be cooking fried chicken, cheese pasta. I'm also going to be cooking rice and peas, and I'm also going to be cooking some ripe plantain, frying some ripe plantain also. So stay tuned guys. And if you come across this video guys, please comment happy birthday Fanika TV. Today is my birthday and I'm sharing my birthday dinner for you. Okay guys, so yes guys, we're gonna pressure with peas now. So we have with scallion, I have my thyme, I have my garlic, my peas. I'm gonna put it on the fire guys. For pressure, I'm gonna add a little more water on it. So stay tuned guys. Remember to subscribe. So yeah guys, may I add my water to the pot, to the peas pot, and then may I go cover it up. Then I go cover it up now. Yes guys, stay tuned. I'm going to show you guys how I fry my chicken. Peas are pressure. These are pressure guys. And we are preparing our next fire to put our next pot on it. So stay tuned guys. So yes guys, see my chicken here well seasoned. I put jerk season on it, regular jerk season, scallion and garlic the on it. Hey guys, just that alone, I don't really over season my meat. And now I'm gonna use this and cover it up. So yeah guys, I got add in my pasta now. My pasta pot. My water boil up. And then I go put some salt in the pot. Also guys, I'm gonna add some salt to the pot. Not too much salt. Mix it around. Cover it up back. And make it go and cook. This, we have the oil pan in fire now. We're gonna make it go on hot to fry the chicken. Guys, we season up with flour. We fry the chicken, the pot, our chicken. Okay, I don't know nobody have video for me. Can hear the chicken them a fry. So our chicken. more peas can hold in my pot, guys. Hey guys, chicken smelling nice. Make sure so we catch it flour everywhere. This is the pasta that I'm going to be preparing. So yeah, may I go and catch the fire. I go and catch the fire, guys, so that I may have my water here already. I put the pasta water on the pot, on the fire. Yes, guys. Guys, pasta water on fire. And we have the peas pot on fire. I go and something there. Hey guys, this is the cake. When I go prepare, I have my egg, I have everything when I need to prepare my cake. So I'm just going to bring on with me. Remember guys, if you are not subscribed, please subscribe. You know, support a new YouTuber. Yes guys. So guys, we chicken in a pot of fry. Hey man guys, chicken is my favorite dish. So and today is my birthday. So I cook my favorite dish today. Alright. I'm batch of chicken in the pot. Hey guys, so stay tuned. We're gonna make with sauce after we done fry with chicken. Stay tuned guys. This is the finishing of my chicken. So I'm gonna make my sauce now. So stay tuned. So yeah guys, we finished great with coconut. We're gonna juicy and get all the juice out of it for the rice and the coconut, Josh. Guys, this is my pasta, cheese pasta. I will place it in the fridge and go and fry with chicken. So yeah guys, I'm going to add my coconut milk back to my peas and make it go and boil. And then we're going to add the rice. Stay tuned guys. Remember to subscribe if you are not subscribed. May I add my rice to my fire. To my coconut milk and peas. Still have chicken in a pot of a boil. Add the rice. Ooh. We are going to stir it up. Cover it up back. The rice and peas cook. Yeah guys, stay tuned for the finishing. Yeah guys, we're going to make a cake. So yeah, let's go. So yeah guys, the sauce a boil up. I'm going to add my red stripe sorrel beer in it. So yes guys, I'm making a sorrel beer sauce. Add my sorrel beer to it. Again, add some sorrel beer. Now add a lot of it. And then I'm gonna add my ketchup. This is my rice and peas pan fire. Hey guys, remember if you reach this far in the video, guys, please subscribe. Make your story. Then guys, we're gonna make it thicken up. So remember guys, the thing that made the sauce is the water after the season and everything where you make. When you have season up your chicken and you know when you season up your chicken one little leftover hours in the bottom, that is one of the sauce. You know, we mix with jerk chicken seasoning, it mixed with scallion, your onion, your everything. Yes, and now after you're gonna add little water in it and make it boil up, and then you're gonna add your sour beer and you know any little thing that you want to spice up your sauce with, you can spice up your sauce with. So yes guys, we are gonna let it boil now, and then after I finish I'm gonna show you the end product of it. Remember guys to like, share and subscribe, you know, leave a like on the video because it helps the video to grow, and also leave a comment. Yes guys, whether good or bad comment, you know, it helps the channel to grow, so we welcome it. Thank you. Yes guys, I'm gonna add a little sugar to it as well. So yeah, add a little sugar to it and mix it. Yeah guys, when you finish, I will link show no how it's still after my finish. Guys, this is the finishing of the sauce. So yeah, we can share the food now. Guys, so I'm gonna make me cake mix cake. Just I read the instruction them because I first I'm gonna make the cake mix cake. So guys, see how we go. And it's the chocolate flavor. I love chocolate guys. Even serious. I love chocolate too. Very well accepted. So I know guys, so it's in my pot. Now they plate. I will broke my egg them. Four eggs. One. A 3 eggs. Two. I check if you get egg then. A 4. A 3 eggs. A 3 eggs right? It's so funny. So I'm gonna get on so. Then you mix it. Then you add the water in the guys. Yes. Go add the water. Not too much. Eh? So not too much. And the oil. Not too much oil. Eh? Not too much oil. Just a little bit. Not put too much oil in there. Go through with an egg shell, one. I should have used a big spoon. Why have you made a big spoon for your granny? Eat in this. What thing in my water? A big, a little flat spoon. Yeah, carry come now? Yeah, carry on, sure. Right. Oh, then. Carry come now, yeah, carry come. It's like lime zest.
Lime juice.
Lime juice, guys.
Cut way raw.
Because we're on this again.
Yeah, guys, we're making a cake. It's gonna be chocolate because it's my mother's day. Because it's my mother's birthday.
Okay, guys. We're gonna mix.
Me a cameraman now.
Yes. Hey guys, we grease the baking tin. Now we're gonna add this in it. Guys, we're gonna add the cake in it.
Yes, at the cake room. I made the cake go in the oven for 5 seconds. And when it's done,
We're gonna bake it for about 30 minutes.
30 minutes.
About 30 minutes. You can bake it. Alright, so stay tuned, guys. Guys, rice and peas finish. Nice and shelly. Hey guys, nice and shelly rice and peas. Hey guys, so stay tuned. We saw soon done and everything. So stay tuned, guys. Guys, this is my dinner. So this is the finishing product of my food that I just cooked. I have like guava plum juice. Yes, guys. So I'm gonna eat.